Hi everyone, I'm Mary with Mary Greeley News. Thank you for joining me. Yeah, we got a ton of snow, and the landlord came and plowed. I had to go put some more food out for the critters. Opened the door and one ran off, but this one's a little bit more braver. Yeah, they got peanuts and corn and sunflower, and I also got a bunch of either ravens or crows that come every day and eat. Doing my part to help these animals during this weather. I hope that's not blurry. I mean, look at all the snow we got. Here, I'll try and zoom out so you can see. I gotta walk over and pay the rent. Look at the cars. King of the hill. Starting to snow again. Look at that. It's supposed to continue snowing. Many businesses have been closed for quite a few days since Saturday, I guess. And this tree across the street is a sagging from all the snow. Winter wonderland, huh? So this is what Watertown, South Dakota looks like. Yeah, and he piled it right up against my garbage cans. So it's going to be difficult to get my garbage cans out. And it is cold. The wind was blowing about 30 miles an hour last night. Yeah, look at these cars. I'd say we got a little bit of snow, huh? Well, Happy New Year. Thank you for subscribing. Please stay safe, and if you don't have to travel, don't travel. And I'll talk to you later. God bless y'all. Bye.